Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to another PSLE live session with Master Math. Okay, for those first time here, my name is Coach Mo. Alright, so I'll be with you for today to do PSLE Math. Okay, so for today, our goal is to do a revision on all the first semester topics like your algebra, ratio, fractions, decimal, percentage. Okay, so we'll be doing a revision on all that for today. Okay, as per normal, the first place winner for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Okay, the pin for today is 844970. Alright, hello Arisa. Alright, as per usual, do help us to share this live around. Okay, share it with your friends, your family. Okay. Okay. Alright, very good, very good. Okay, those already here, do join us. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 844970. Okay, hold on na. Okay. Alright. Okay, so like just what I mentioned, right? Today we'll be doing quite a number of your most of the first semester topics. Okay. Alright, no worries, Steffi. Okay, hello Dila. How are you today? Okay, so wait, let me adjust the lighting. Okay, better. Okay, so today we'll be doing algebra, ratio, fractions, percentage, decimal. Okay, so a mixture of all these topics. Some questions are a mixture of like maybe you have ratio and fraction, okay, or percentage included. Alright. Okay, so those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 844970. Okay. Alright, do help us to share this live, okay? You see the arrow button to the right there? Press that and share, okay? Okay, I like that confident. Okay, alright, okay, to have more competition today, okay, do help us share this live, okay, and at the same time, to help us to reach out further, right, do spam your screen with likes, okay, get the likes up to like maybe 2,000 or 3,000, okay, maybe get it up to 3,000, and if we got a good amount of participants, we can begin shortly, okay. Okay, right now, Okay, people are joining in. Okay, good. All right. Okay, so those who are having your first week of school today. All right, how was it today? Okay, how was it? How was this week itself? Does 2 out of 3 get the reward? What do you mean by 2 out of 3? Okay, so today, number 2 or number 3, is it? No, for today, the first person will be getting the reward, okay? Alright, those who are in this live, go to www.𝐿𝐷 and enter 844970. First day already must do composition. That is normal. Okay? Don't worry, press on. Okay, once you're done with school, then you'll be doing like things that you like. Okay? Maybe those who have interested in art, those who have interested in building stuff and all that. Okay, don't worry, just press on. Once you are done, especially those done in secondary school, when you go to polytechnic, right, that's where you are able to pursue things that you like. Okay, and then those primary 6, right, maybe you have some dream schools in mind. Okay, go for it. All right, tomorrow have P3 math. Good luck. Okay, don't worry. Why cannot join? Let me see. Should be able to. Okay, go to www.𝐿𝐷, enter 844970. For tomorrow I won't be able to do it yet, okay, because I got some other things that I need to settle. Alright. So probably once things are more settled, I will do on Wednesdays also. Okay. Okay, I'll begin in about 3 more minutes. Alright, in the meantime, to help us share with your friends, okay, get them all to join. Okay, your friends, you have maybe your WhatsApp group, your friends, right? Okay, copy the link, put it there, ask them to join. Okay, maybe you got WhatsApp group with your cousins, your siblings, also get them to join in. Okay, do share the live with them. At the same time, ask them to join the queue. Okay. You don't understand question 2. No worries. Later when we reach question 2, I'll give you some hints. Okay. Okay, right now we have 31 people. Okay, alright, those who are in this live, okay, come on in. Again, doesn't matter you are lower primary, you're upper primary, or in secondary. Okay, just go to www.𝐿𝐷, enter 844970. Okay, just that if you are maybe like primary 3, primary 4, maybe some questions are tougher for you. Okay, but never mind, just try your luck. Alright, and the first place for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Okay, you can use that to buy notebooks, buy stationaries. Okay, today I think we'll be having about 8 questions. Okay, all right. Don't worry. I'll tell you when your calculators are locked. Okay, at the same time, do get yourself some writing materials. Okay, write down your steps and all that. Okay, probably you need to do some calculations. Okay, come on in, all right. Come, join. Rocky, come in, right? Go to www.𝐿𝐷, enter 844970. I can't make that decisions. Okay, there's other people who make their decisions for me. Okay, hold on a while. Okay, about 1 more minute, I'll begin. For writing questions, okay, questions where you have to type the answer, you don't have to write the units, okay? But just for this Kahoot, you don't have to write the units. In exam, if there's no units at the answer space, remember to write your units, okay? Okay, those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it, enter 844970. Alright, hello, Ni Hao. Okay, come on in, go to www.kahoot.it, enter 844970, okay? Today we'll be practicing questions on fractions, algebra, decimals, percentage, and there may something decimal, yeah. Okay, so altogether like 5 topics in one Kahoot today. Okay, anyone else joining? Okay, I'll begin in about 40 more seconds. The math is P6 math, but if you are higher or lower, by all means, come on in. Of course, I won't give you the answer right away. Okay, at the end of every question, yes, they will show what is the correct answer. And at the end, stay on till the end and I'll go through the solutions at the end, alright? Okay, 10 more seconds. What if tie? Okay, actually I've never experienced a tie at the end before. Okay? Yeah. There was a situation where there was like a tie up to like about the second last question, but eventually still there's no tie. Okay? But yeah, if there is a tie, I will inform them and you can both of you try to submit the proof to get the $10 popular voucher. Okay, anyone else joining? Okay, if no more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone? 3. Okay, let's begin. Okay, algebra, ratio, fraction, percentage, decimals. Alright, so remember, do not use a calculator, okay? What is the value of 40 divided by 5,000? What is the value of 40 divided by 5,000? Okay, which one? Is it 0.45? Is it 0.2? Is it 0.08? Or is it 0.02? Okay, which one? What do you think? Okay, password, it is 844970. It 44970. Okay, very good. Okay, 0.08. Yes. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So if you take 40 divided by 5,000, right? It's like doing 40 divided by 5, followed by dividing by 1,000, and you get 0.08. Okay, the pin is 844970. 844970. Okay, good job. Okay, wow, we got 2 full marks. Silver Kitten and Witty Frog. Then we got 995, Smooth Horse, followed by 994, Decisive Raccoon, and Agile Griffin at 993. Okay, all these have potential of being number one, even though you are in number five, okay, or anyone lower than this, but still around 990 something or 980 something, you all will have a chance to catch up, okay? Okay, now solve the following question. Okay, the figure below is made up of an overlap rectangle and a triangle. The shaded area is 3/7 of the triangle and also 5/12 of the rectangle. What is the ratio of the area of the triangle to the rectangle? Okay, now it's a fractions plus ratio question. Okay, so what do y'all think? You got 1.5 more minutes. Are you sure it's yellow? Okay, there's a common quantity there, which is the shaded area. Okay, so what should you do when there's a common quantity? Somebody asking Siri, is it? Okay, less than a minute left. 40 more seconds. Okay, less than 20 more seconds. Now, what do you all think is the answer? Five, four, three, two, one. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is actually red. Alright, so when we make the common quantities become the same, we'll end up with 35:36. Okay. Okay, now Witty Frog managed to maintain the first position, okay, followed by Decisive Raccoon now at 1,991. Just 1 point below is Agile Griffin, and we got the Arctic Shark at 1,988, and Clever Wallaby at 1,987. All very close points to gain that first spot. Okay, a bicycle costs $41.60, and a helmet costs a quarter as much as a bicycle. Azman bought 3 bicycles and 5 helmets. What is the total cost of all the items? Okay, what is the total cost of all the items? Okay, come on, try not to use AIs and all that. Okay, remember that in exam, there's no AI. And even sometimes AI also may evaluate wrongly, okay? Yeah, as in this question might be correct, okay, but there will be questions where the AI may actually do a different step, okay, that basically may cause some mistake. Okay. Alright, those online just would like to check, is the sound okay for you guys? Is Azman Azman in this case would be a male, okay? Azman is a male's name. Okay, yes, the answer is as someone mentioned just now. Okay, yes, it is blue, okay? Okay, so now let's see the new ranking. Oh no, Decisive Raccoon took over at 2,988 points. And then now Arctic Shark is at second place with only 2 points behind, followed by Clever Wallaby, only 1 point different. And we got the fourth and fifth placing at 2,982 points. Okay, still very close. Okay, interesting competition today. Okay, now question 4 is on average plus algebra. Average of three numbers is 25. One of the numbers is x. What is the average of the other two numbers in terms of x? Alright, so here we got average and also algebra included. Okay, so how are you gonna solve this question? First, I will ask Azman. Okay, so how are you gonna solve this question? How are you gonna find the remainder of two more percent? Okay, how are you gonna find it? How do you find the total of the 2%? Okay, because average you all need to divide, right? Okay, wait, why is the screen becoming dark? Okay, 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 very good. Okay, so we must minus x first, then divide by 2. So that's why the answer is 75 minus x over 2. Okay, rate is not correct. Okay, because you are, if you're just subtracting from the average, that will be wrong. Okay. Okay, wow, Decisive Raccoon maintained his first position, and our second and third position is a tie at 3,982 points. Wow, okay, and a very close fourth and fifth place also. Very interesting today. All right, so a quick break now. Okay, so just a heads up, uh, for those who are new, first time with us. Okay, my name is Coach Mo. I'm from MasterMath. Okay, so for today, let's just inform everyone that we provide educational services also to for math from P1 all the way until secondary 4 or secondary 5. Okay, for you to take O levels, PSLE, all this we provide educational services, tuitions. Okay, so we also have classes for P3 science, P3 to P6 science, and then we also have classes for PSLE English. All right, so we provide free trial for those who are new. Okay, we provide free trial, so you can go to our website there. You can see at the bottom of my screen www.mastermath.com.sg. Okay, you can find out more about our locations and our schedules. Okay, can find out more. All right, now let's go to the next part. Yes, now the use of calculators are allowed. Okay, because the questions now will be questions that are like from paper 2 and all that. All right. Okay, now the first question, question 5. Mrs. Lee had a bottle of orange juice. She drank 600 ml of the juice in the morning and 1/6 of the remaining juice in the afternoon. After that, there was half of a bottle of juice left. How much of the juice did she drink in the afternoon? Okay, so find the amount of juice that she drank in the afternoon. Find the amount of juice that she drank in the afternoon. The hint here I would say is that to actually draw a model firstly. Okay, and then there's a fraction of the remaining juice, right? So your remaining juice you need to break up into that fraction. Okay. Okay. How many of you selected? Yes. Okay. 150 is the answer. Okay. Good job to the 11 of you. Okay. Okay. Still very close. 𝐿𝐥𝐬 Griffin is back on top. Okay, with 5,955 points. Second place is 5,954 points. Okay, very good. Okay, now this one we use the table. If k equals to 9, find the average number of cans the three boys collected. Okay, find the average number of cans the three boys collected if k equals to 9. Okay, we'll end about 9 o'clock. Okay, now we are at question 6. After this, we'll go to two more questions, then I'll go through the solutions. Okay. All right. Many of you are saying 18. Are you sure? Somebody saying 17.868. Okay, no, I don't. There's probably no decimal. Yeah, don't need to put units. Okay, just put the answer. Yeah, okay, these questions all you allowed these calculators, okay? Okay, less than 2 more minutes. One and a half more minutes. After this Kahoot, I'll be going through the solutions. Then that's it for today, okay? Oh, you're one of those who did the PSLE mock exam. How did it go? All right, very good. Actually, 29 of you got it correct. Put 18. Very good. 4 kg is the same as 4,000 gram. Okay. The main tips that I have for PSLE is just to always practice and practice and practice. Okay. You cannot. There's no like a shortcut method or anything like that. It goes to all subjects. All right. Just press on, put in the hard work, and you will get that results that you want. All right. Okay, very good. Agile Griffin and Clever Wallaby is really beside each other. Okay, they are only 1 point apart. Anytime anyone can just, maybe Clever Wallaby can just take over. Okay, but even though that Arctic Shark is also quite close, okay, if let's say any of the two of them creates a mistake, they can just take over. Hmm. Dila, you were intern there. Okay, which when to when? Okay, was it the period when I was working at the office? Okay, second last question. Okay, Bobby had some local stamps and foreign stamps. After he gave away 45% of his local stamps and 2/5 of his foreign stamps, he has an equal amount of stamps left. If the amount of local stamps left is 165, how many stamps did he have at first? Oh, okay, okay. Probably it's like second half of the year, like around there, is it? No wonder you didn't saw me. If you were like earlier, I think you will be seeing a while. I was there a while. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, Dila, study hard. Maybe who knows later after you're done with your education, you can go back and work with them also. Last Saturday, where Tampines, is it? Yeah, I was teaching the P5 or at Tampines on Saturday, yeah. You were in Coach Irfan class, is it? Yes, this is actually a possible PSLE question also. Oh, Coach Ryan class. Okay, okay. Okay, I cannot say the answer. Okay, you can just wait till the end. All right, less than 2 more minutes. Okay, remember guys, especially for those preparing for PSLE, right? There's no chat GPT when you are doing your PSLE paper, right? Okay, so you must practice by yourself. Thank you, Dila. Okay, 15 seconds more. Okay, this is actually a combination of single quantity unchanged, like those ratio question, but explain using percentage and fraction. Okay, wow, very good. 20 of you got it correct. Oh no! Clever Wallaby took over, but still, with only still 1 point difference. Okay, so maybe next question, Agile Griffin could take over. Alright. Okay, second, last question for today. Not second last, last question for today. The library has some fiction and non-fiction books. After 240 fiction books were loaned out, the percentage of fiction books decreased from 40% to 20%. Of the total books, how many fiction books did he have at first? Again, another single quantity unchanged type of question using percentage now. Okay? Okay, somebody got caught using Chat GPT. Okay, don't use it. Okay, okay, 3 more minutes. Yes, time flies, right? Now it's already July. Probably you all got 3 more months or less than 3 months, right? Okay, so now is the time. Just push it. Okay, just put in your effort and go for it. Okay, each one of you got your own goals, right? That you want to achieve your dream schools and all that. Okay, always remind yourself of that goal. Okay, and just go for it. Alright, less than 3 more minutes. About 2.5 minutes there. Alright, like I said just now, the hint was this is a single quantity unchanged. Okay, you have a fiction books and non-fiction books. What books will loan out? Fiction books will loan out. So the one that remain unchanged is the non-fiction books. Alright, so how do you do this question? Okay, about 110 seconds more. Only 30 of you answered. Come on, the rest. Let's go, let's go. Don't worry. Okay, later, after this, we'll see the rankings and I'll go through the solution with you guys. Alright, don't worry, don't worry. Somebody saying 17.5432. Why not? There's a 1 also at the back. Okay, about a minute more. One more minute. Remember, like I said just now, this is a, you can model it into a single quantity unchanged. No, there's no percentage here, right? They're asking for fiction books. So you don't have to put a percentage sign. 40 seconds. 30 more seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, stay on till the end, yeah? Okay, I'll go through the solutions in a while. Okay, 8 of you got it correct. So, will one of these 8% got the first place today? Okay, let's find out. Yeah, so before we continue, remember, like I said just now, right, the first place will be getting a $10 popular voucher. So if you already know that you are in the first place right now, okay, do take a screenshot of your placement, okay, that first place screenshot. Then after that, scan this QR code and you can submit to claim your first prize, okay. It's only for the first person today. So while submitting, you need to submit a screenshot of that showing that you're first place. Alright, now let's see the podium. Number 3, we have focused crane. Number 2, Arctic shark. Oh wow, climbed up. And number 1, clever wallaby. Good job. Okay, it looks like actually Arctic shark was very close to clever wallaby. Okay, okay, alright. Now let's see the solution. Okay, come. Let's go through from the bottom. Okay. Like what I said just now, right? These are, you can model it into if there's a single quantity unchanged, and if it's a percentage, fractions, all these you can convert to ratio or units. So like in this case, right? You can see that initially fiction was 40%, then it dropped to 20%. So at first when it was 40%, non-fiction is 60%. right? Okay, simplest form will be 2:3. Okay, and then in the after case, it was 20% and 80%. Simplest form is 1:4. But then, like I see just now, right, the non-fiction is the one where it doesn't change. So I need to make this 3 and this 4 the same. So I multiplied by 4, multiplied by 3, ended up I got 8 units to 12 units, 3 units to 12 units. You see, it is a drop of 5 units. So 5 units is 240. 1 unit you divide by 5, 8 units you multiply by 8. Why do we find 8 units? Because they're asking for fiction at first, which is this 8 units. Alright. Okay, I'll go through the solutions and we'll end the live, okay? Okay, the next question also, like I say, is something that you can model into a single quantity unchanged. Oh wait, this is not a single quantity unchanged actually. This is equal fractions, equal amount of stems left, okay? So at first, he gave away 45%. So this is what's left for local stems. And minus 2/5, you got 3/5. Okay, so the numerators, you can make them the same. I ended up with 33/60 and 33/55. Alright, for those who wants to copy the solution, don't worry, you can go to this Telegram group, MasterMath PSLE. After this live, the solutions will be uploaded into the Telegram channel. Okay, so go there and download, alright? For now, just listen and try to understand first. Alright, later on you can download from here and then you can even refer directly to the answer key. It's the same what I'm going through now. Okay? Alright, then after that, they say that if the amount of local stems left is 165, therefore 33 units is 165. 1 unit is divided by 33, we got 5. And they're asking for stems at first, all together. That means the whole thing plus together. So 115 unit is 5 times 115 equals to 575. This is one of the easier ones, right? Because we already said that k equals to 9. So I just substitute 6 plus 9 because it's a k, and 3 plus 4k is 4 times 9. So I plus all of this together, I got 54. But they're not asking for total, they're asking for average. So 54 divided by 3 is 18. This one was just now the one where I think some of you got stuck also, right? Okay. So firstly I draw a model. She drank 600 ml. So I cut a portion, okay, for 600. And then the remaining I cut into 6. So you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one portion is the afternoon. And remaining was half. So if half is 5 units, 2 out of 2 will be times 2, I got 10 units. So if this whole thing is 10 units, this portion here is 10 minus 6, I got 4 units is 600. 600 divided by 4 is 150 ml. Okay? Okay, so far any question? All okay? Alright. Okay, those who need to go, thank you very much for your participation. Okay, I hope you all learned something today, alright? Okay, come, a bit more, a bit more. So this was also another easy one, okay? So the total will just be 25 times 3, then 75 minus x divided by 2. That's why this is the answer. Okay, then this one also, to find the cost of the helmet, since it's a quarter, right? So I divide by 4, I got $10.40. So I just multiply, plus together I got 176 and 80 cents. Alright, this one we can use ratio like I see just now. Triangle to the shaded part is 7:3. Shaded part to the rectangle is 5:12. There's this common quantity of the shaded part. I make them the same, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. I got 35:15:36. So triangle to rectangle is just 35 is to 36. Alright, get the solutions here, alright? Telegram, our Telegram channel. Okay, come on, just listen first. And at the same time, maybe in a few days' time, the recordings will be uploaded on YouTube also. Can go to MasterMathsTV. Okay, last question. Okay, how do we do divide by 5,000? What we do is we divide by 5 first, then divide by 1,000. So 40 divided by 5 is 8, divided by 1,000, I got 0.008. Okay, alright, so that's it for today. Any of you got any questions, you may ask in the chat now before I end the live. Any questions? Alright, if no questions, all the best for your semester 2. Okay, work harder, okay, and you will achieve your goals, your PSLE goals, your exam goals for all those in the other levels. Maybe you have some goals in mind for your end of year. Alright, all the best, and see you all next week, Tuesday at 8 p.m. also. Alright, thank you and bye-bye. Please scroll down to question 4. Okay. Is multiply to get the total, then I minus, then I divide by 2 again. Alright, for the problem sums, I suggest go to our Telegram channel, okay? Go to Telegram, put Master Math PSLE, and get download the solutions itself. Okay? Okay, so why change? Because my own work itself ended later now. Okay, so I have to change the time. Alright, okay, I hope it's not causing anyone any trouble. Alright, thank you everyone, and see you all next Tuesday. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye everyone.